Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a 3D cartoon effect on CapCut Apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut Apps and add a new project. Add the video that you want to edit. And now click on the video. Click style, this one. In here you can see 3D cartoon effect, this one, and click on it. Please waiting. Okay, after this you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. Now you can add the 3D cartoon effect on CapCut. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.